can't even get the whole thing in. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot.
Woo! That's bloody hot.
It is what I was talking about. You do lose out on forward view.
This is insane.
Now we're talking too much boat.
Oh
So let me do it.
my God.
This is the 58 salon.
This this is insane. This has to be, you know, with a crew. This is a crew boat. For
It
sure.
can be, yeah.
No, this is not like.
That's what I'm saying. This is a charter boat.
What is that?
Plastic.
Oh! Oh my God! Dave! 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 Here, it's insanity. Look, here! Go!
You keep doing all your little dances just off camera.
Do I? Look at this.
Yeah, this is the owner suite.
Look at this. Look at this. The window. Wow. Well, they got the cushions on this one.
So this one's okay.
Oh yeah, it's gorgeous.
And there's your private cockpit.
You get a private.
No,
This.
it's the same cockpit. You just get a private entrance. Don't say look at this, then show me, and then jump off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do it on camera.
I'm sorry. Oh.
There's Lisa breaking the blinds.
No, I didn't.
Padded headboard.
It's crazy.
Close the door. This one has 2 breakfast tables.
No doubt anyone will spot up here. Then
You're a bit bouncing around too quick. I can't keep you on
I
camera.
can't help it. Hi, Jolie.
We would love to have explored the amazing spaces in the Four Peaks and Lazarettes, the windlass locker, but we knew we just were not going to have time if we wanted to get back and catch those last few minutes on the other boats. And then we were off to see Gary.
yeah.
That's so cool.
Well, you want it safe. This is more of a charter design boat. So.
Pump station. Watch where you're stepping and stop. Like a lot of natural light. And when you open these up top, you're gonna have so much air coming in. Like, this is an awesome design. Robertson and Kane, do good work. Wow.
We had been recording for hours and the gimbal was starting to get tired. It was moving the camera very slowly and it was failing, but we were trying to get everything in that we could before we had to leave.
Engine access.
Yeah.
Padded headboard here too.
Yep. And like, to see everything is just, it's awesome.
Beautiful view of the dock pilings. And look at this giant vanity.
Yep, lighted. Look at my
Backlit.
favorite.
Yep.
Backlit. Lighting.
There's your bathroom.
Double sinks.
So this is the master?
I don't know.
The other one must be the captain suite.
No, the upstairs is that master.
The hell is this then?
This is just a. Oh. Look at all this. Look at this. Crazy. And the toilet paper roll right there. So smart.
Not a drawer.
It is too. Would you look at that? Wow. Like,
Like wow or wow?
look at the tail. Awesome. What time are they closing?
Two.
What time is it?
25 to 2.
Yeah, hurry. But they got these stairs and stuff. Get up. And more storage underneath. That's awesome. Again, smart.
Does 40 have that? We gotta go back down inside the 40 and look at the shower layout.
Okay. Well, you want to do this and then the 50 and then 40, right? So we gotta hurry. This is just for fun. We gotta get to the other side though. This is big too. Look at this.
It's not always about size, Lisa.
Big ass boat. Wow. Talk about a lot of boat. Oh, look, freezer. Yep.
Start that again.
This is a cruise cabin, quite obviously.
Crew or kids or whatever.
Stack them like cordwood. You do your sit-ups at night. 4, 3. You know I gotta get up here. Oh, not that one. that one. They just pop out of there.
You could.
I know. We're not going to. Calm down. Get over here. That's just fun.
It's nicer in person than it is in videos.
Yeah. I like these little attention to detail with the glass here. Maybe even upstairs. Come on. This is strange. I guess it opens all the way.
It does.
Look at that. It's brilliant. Right here.
Show me that.
So each one of those can move like that. So, you know, like when you've got this group, obviously you have talk about your line of sight to be able to sail this. That's amazing.
This one's actually easier to sail.
Yeah. Wow. Like, this is amazing. And a barbecue. Oh my god. That's amazing. That must be hot.
Yeah.
That's insane.
I do like the faux better with the black lines, but it's still really hot.